Hello, happy and blessed morning sa inyong lahat. Tapos na yung lifting weights ko na dumbbell, 20 pounds na dumbbell, okay? And 20 rin na left hand and right hand. Ngayon naman yung 10 to 12 push-ups ko. Okay, so daily to 10 to 12 push-ups in the morning, and then 10 to 12 push-ups in the afternoon, early afternoon, and then before retiring to bed, another 10 to 12 push-ups. Okay, so 30 push-ups yun, or more than 30 na dati kong ginagawa, isang babaan lang. Pero sabi ng doctor ko, sabi niya, wag, because of your age, no? Baka may mangyari sa'yo. And my physical trainer, sabi din niya na tama na sir yung 10 to 12 lang. So 10 to 12. Okay. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Bye bye. Have a great day sa inyong lahat. Sige, ingat. God bless.